At a hospital on the outskirts of Jakarta, people infected with COVID-19 seek treatment in the car park. This week has been Indonesia's worst since the pandemic began. It has recorded more than 100,000 cases for the first time, filling up dozens of hospitals.
The capacity of the triage tents is 30 portable beds. But the number of people who come here to ask for medical treatment is really high. We can't reject them.
The capital, Jakarta, is worst hit. Last week it recorded more than 130 deaths every day. Indonesia has recorded 56,000 fatalities since the pandemic began. That's the highest number in Southeast Asia and the fourth worst per capita globally. As the Delta variant spreads, Indonesia is not the only country facing a health emergency. Russia recorded 619 COVID deaths on Saturday, its highest so far this year.
For the last week, the number of patients increased by 1/5 compared to the numbers we had before.
The World Health Organization says the Delta variant has been identified in 85 countries and is spreading rapidly in unvaccinated populations.
The attack rate is higher, it infects more people, it can spread faster. And we're seeing that now we saw it in India, we're now seeing it in Australia and Indonesia, in the UK, and I think we'll see it now also increasingly in Europe and indeed also in the Americas.
Australia experienced that this week. It was COVID-free. Now it has dozens of cases. Millions of people in and around Sydney have been ordered into a 2-week lockdown.
Yeah, everyone's down, they're bored, upset. It's just complete ghost town again.
We should brace ourselves for more cases. We're finding that all household contacts, unfortunately, are getting the virus. Transmissibility is at least double what previous variants have been. So we do need to brace ourselves for a potentially larger number of cases in the following days.
For people in Spain, their freedom has been more than a year in the making. On Saturday, the government dropped an order to wear masks outdoors. A third of the population is now fully vaccinated and infections are falling.
I feel safe. At the end of the day, I think we need to return to our past normal life as soon as possible. This is a step forward.
But many kept their mask on, wary of dropping their guard against a virus still ravaging many nations. Charlotte Bellis, Al Jazeera.